Hello, gentlemen. Yoshi, Carl.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
Nice
You have tested the ZUMAX 3D microscope. So what's your first impression?
Very nice because you don't have to wear the glasses to see something 3D. So I think I was wondering if I can remove the instrument by just looking at the 3D monitors. I think it's possible, but I want more magnifications. Because the magnification level is not as high as what I use in my office.
But you're a little bit extreme, huh? Of course.
Yeah. Because I have to see very close look at the broken instrument in a small root canal.
You want to see only the root canal, right? That's it.
Yeah.
But for general dentists, you think it's good?
Yeah, I think so.
Easy to use, no?
Yeah.
More easy than the optical microscope, maybe, huh? But thanks a lot.
Because the monitors tracks my eyes. So if I go like this, I can still see
it. Can follow you.
Yeah. Or if I go like this.
Ergonomics
is
better.
Very nice.
Thanks a lot, Yoshi. Thank you.